Today, students can find a variety of jobs on the web and take them on in their spare time to make extra cash. You can use your existing skills to find online jobs or develop new skills and take on various online jobs for students. If you are a student and looking for genuine online jobs, today I'm going to show you 10 ways to make money online while studying. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the best paying online jobs for students who have a knack for writing and possess good grammar and research skills. You will only need a computer with the internet. As a student, you can find writing jobs on various writing job and freelancing sites here. Most writing jobs include writing articles, blog posts, and copies for web pages. You will be given a deadline to complete an article. You can pick writing jobs directly from a live job board or have a bid on a job and hope that the job is awarded to you by the relevant client, depending on how the site works. Some sites require you to take an English grammar and writing test, and some may require you to submit a sample or samples of your work, while others may require you to take a grammar test to evaluate your skills. If you pass any relevant test, the relevant site will let you take on writing jobs. Number 2. Data entry. Data entry is a simple job that students with basic computer and fast and accurate typing skills can do from the comfort of their computer. Typically, data entry work involves typing up data fast and accurately for clients. Many students earn money working part-time doing data entry jobs. You can find genuine data entry jobs on the following websites: HeSmartCrowd, SigTrack, People Per Hour. Number 3. Virtual assistant jobs. Many virtual assistant jobs do not require secretarial or administrative skills to do. College students can use their organizational and communication skills they have developed while studying to do virtual assistant jobs for people and businesses. They can offer data entry, social media management, research, website maintenance, and other services. Payments can vary based on the tasks or services provided, hours done, and other factors. You can work with a single or multiple clients around your schedules. Here are some great sites to find virtual assistant jobs for students: Fancy Hands, Virtual Gal Friday, Belay Solutions. Number 4. Translation jobs. If you are already bilingual or studying a second language or more, then you can use your language skills to earn some extra cash. Many companies like 1-800-TRANSLATE and WorldLingo need help with translating various types of documents, academic papers, audio files, and many more things into another or more languages. If you are fluent in one of these in-demand languages, then you can earn some money on the side by providing translation service when you have free time. You can find translation jobs by joining translation agencies or freelance sites. There are different types of translation jobs to choose from based on your skill set. Number 5. PTC sites. The internet is full of sites that allow ways to earn money for students by completing simple tasks like filling surveys, watching videos, etc. These are called PTC, pay-to-click sites. PTC sites are a type of business model that is quickly rising to gain ground. They are money-earning sites where you have to fill in some contact info about yourself, and then you are eligible to access the different tasks that offer you some extra pocket money. Though there are a lot of such PTC sites, there is only a handful of them that are trusted online money-making sites, while the internet is flooded with others that are mostly scams. The trusted PTC sites help make money online for students who are willing to spend 2 to 3 hours every day. The tasks include activities like filling online surveys, watching entertaining ads, referral websites and apps, or even shopping online and surfing the web. Yes, these activities that you almost do on a regular basis can actually provide an earning for students who are up for the task. Number 6. Website testing jobs. Website owners often need people like you to test their sites in order to give feedback on their certain usability experience to the site owners. The test can take typically 10 to 20 minutes. Website testers are likely to make $10 to $20 per test based on the complexity and length of the test and the company offering the job. You may need a microphone and webcam to do website testing jobs. Number 7. Tutoring online. As a student, there are 15 plus reputable online tutoring jobs you can join to find clients that need tutoring in subjects that you are particularly knowledgeable about. These agencies will let you apply to become an online tutor and connect you with the students or clients that need help in your area of expertise. You can do this work part-time, making some nice extra money to pay bills. You will need a Skype account and a high-speed internet connection to offer tutoring in academic or non-academic subjects. Number 8. Selling items on marketplaces online. Students can not only sell their old stuff or unwanted things on eBay and other marketplaces online, but can also sell items that they have created themselves. You can also buy things in bulk from another supplier or more at cheaper prices and resell them at higher prices. You can earn some extra money by selling your old stuff online. You can sell only specific items via some marketplaces, while others let you sell a wide variety of used and unused things, including your own products, used clothes, textbooks, unused gift cards, old CDs, DVDs, and much more items online. Number 9. Do micro jobs online. One of the best ways for students to earn some extra cash is by doing small tasks or offering small services to businesses and people on micro-gig sites. There are many reputable micro-job sites you can join to advertise your skills and services by posting any job that you can do or service you can sell for a fixed amount of money for each job done or services provided. You can use micro-gig sites to offer different types of freelance services or to do different types of jobs via your computer. You can do micro-gigs for various services such as writing for companies and people, editing articles, academic papers, etc., designing websites, designing logos, video editing, social media marketing, maintaining social media profiles, SEO services. You can even offer to sing a happy birthday song, create funny videos of yourself, and do more off-the-wall tasks. Marketing your skills is critical to reach out to your potential clients. Landing the first job is important, as one job will lead to another sooner or later. If a client likes your work and leaves you good feedback, you can attract more clients. You can get more orders from existing clients if they were happy with your previous work. Number 10. Blogging. Blogging could be a nice way for students to earn some extra cash. If you have a favorite hobby, you can just write content about it and share your content with others. You could blog about an academic subject or more you have good knowledge in, or write about non-academic topics on your blog. Once your blog starts getting some traffic, you can use a number of ways to monetize your blog. If you write quality posts on your blog on a regular basis, you will be able to attract a lot of users to your blog. Students can run and maintain a blog in their spare time. A blog with a steady amount of traffic can earn a solid side income regularly. To get started, choose a domain that relates to your blog. Register your blog with a reputable domain registration company. Design your blog yourself or hire a freelance web designer to do it. Buy hosting service to publish your site on the web. Promote your blog using various marketing channels. Monetize your blog. Final thought. Having gone through student life, I understand that the pressures of daily work at school also mounts. Keeping this in mind, the above list looks at the easiest ways to earn money online for students that you can continue doing in your free time too. Hence, these online jobs resolve all the problems of the people who work from home or even housewives. The money earned through it can take care of their college, school, or other expenses. You won't have to depend on anyone for some money, as you can handle some of your expenses on your own. A student's life is the best learning experience. You can get to do and learn new skills and experience life lessons. You can either stay at home and spend your entire day on Netflix, but that would be a waste of your capabilities. Or you can learn some new skills or earn money sitting at home in your free time. Therefore, there is no question about what option is strongly recommended. It is just something that should be done. I suggest you be as productive and happy in your life, as once these days are gone, there is no coming back. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next one.